Many snooker players are struggling with the middle pocket potting. In this quick video, I will show you some tips how you can improve middle pocket potting instantly today. I will give you lots of valuable information, so watch this video till the end. Let's start!
Okay. Center cue ball striking. Lots of people have problems with the middle pockets. What do you mean about that? That means people are not potting to the middle pocket consistent. Why? Because they, first of all, they're aiming bad. Okay, most of the people think that this is center cue ball, this is center pocket. Okay, this is a very bad mistake. Why? Because you see, I'm gonna show you just example, like you see the cue ball, yeah? If you're gonna hit this jaw in snooker, you will miss, okay? So a little bit off the line, but if you're gonna look from the straight angle, this is the corner of the pocket. So you have to aim not here, because you're probably gonna miss to this jaw, but aim here, because this jaw is more generous, so you can play with the even smooth pace, and the cue ball is gonna still go to the pocket.
If you want to improve your snooker game and take your game to another level, book online snooker coaching with me here.
This is not going to the pocket, and this goes to the pocket, even that if you're gonna hit here. Okay, so for example, if I have an angle ball like this from the pink spot, okay, I'm gonna aim here. So I'm gonna play slow, and you're gonna see where I'm hit the cue ball, okay? So please go that side. So right now I'm showing example how to hit well and solve your problems for all your snooker career. And this is how you have to play the center pocket. Okay, time for the example. Okay, as I said, I'm gonna aim here, and you're gonna see how the cue ball goes straight to the pocket. I'm gonna play soft to make sure that you see how I pot the ball. And this is how you have to play correct to the middle pocket.
Guys, smash the like button, ring the bell if you want to see our videos first, and if you are committed snooker fan or player, subscribe to our channel. See you later, folks!